Speeding up Windows search indexing. Search should be instant. When it isn't, the indexer is usually the reason, and it's also a common cause of that mysterious disk activity when your computer is supposedly idle. Here's how it works. Windows builds a catalog of your files in the background so results appear the moment you start typing. Building that catalog costs disk time, and the wider you point it, the longer it takes. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then searching Windows. You'll see two modes: Classic, which indexes only your documents, desktop, and pictures, and Enhanced, which indexes your entire drive. Enhanced gives better results but takes far longer to build and costs more resources. Choose based on how you actually search. You can also exclude specific folders, and excluding large code or media libraries makes a real difference. If search returns wrong results, open indexing options in Control Panel and rebuild the index.